Welcome back to this Fantaskool tutorial. In today's video, we're excited to introduce an upcoming enhancement that will transform the way schools manage staff attendance, Biometric Device Integration. As part of our ongoing commitment to simplifying school administration, the Fantaskool team is developing a biometric attendance solution designed to reduce administrative workload and fully automate staff attendance tracking. Let's walk through how this will work. Once the feature becomes available, the school administrator will begin by logging into the Fantaskool platform. From the dashboard, navigate to the sidebar menu, select HRM, and then click on Biometric Devices. To add a new biometric terminal, simply click on Register Device. A registration window will appear, prompting the administrator to enter the required details, including the device name and the serial number. After submitting this information, the device will be successfully registered within Fantaskool and configured to communicate with the platform. Now, let's see how attendance recording will take place. Once the biometric device is installed at the school, typically at the main entrance or another designated location, teachers will be able to record their attendance by scanning their fingerprint, face, access card, or any other supported identification method, depending on the device being used. For example, when a teacher arrives at school, they simply scan their fingerprint. The device instantly captures their identity and arrival time, and the information is automatically transmitted to Fantaskool. At the end of the day, the teacher scans again to record their departure time. Fantaskool then automatically logs time in timeout. Attendance status. All attendance data synchronizes seamlessly with the system, eliminating the need for administrators to manually input each staff member's attendance record. This automation not only saves valuable time, but also minimizes errors commonly associated with manual data entry. With biometric device integration, schools can benefit from greater accuracy. Attendance is verified through secure biometric identification. Reduced paperwork, less reliance on manual registers and physical sign-in books. Improved efficiency, administrators spend significantly less time managing attendance. Automated record keeping, all attendance data is organized and stored directly within Fantaskool. With Fantaskool's upcoming biometric device integration, managing staff attendance becomes smarter, faster, and more reliable. Stay tuned for future updates as we continue enhancing your Fantaskool experience. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next Fantaskool tutorial.